Nowadays, airplanes go everywhere. Have you ever wondered what flight attendants bring with them when they're not going to Paris, to London, to New York, or even Dubai, but they're actually going all the way north up there? Hey, welcome back. I'm Phil. I'm an unusual flight attendant who flies in remote areas of northern Canada. Actually so remote that there aren't even any roads to get up there. And today I thought it would be a great idea to share with you guys what I put in my bags when I'm going to work. Alright, so let's take a look at my luggage set. So this is a two-piece set that is made by Samsonite. It is company issued, so we all have the same luggage at my airline. And I have to say that I'm pretty stoked with the choice the company made. At first I wasn't too sure because I found it a little big, but now I find it pretty amazing because there's so much storage in there. So let's take a look. Alright, so let's take a look at what actually goes in the front pocket of my tote bag. So in this tote bag here, I don't carry much actually, most of it goes in my suitcase. But in the front pocket, I'll keep the actual necessity. So first of all, my passport. My passport is kept in an RFID protection sleeve because I've actually gotten my passport swiped before and my identity stolen, so I make sure that this is protected. So this goes into the actual RFID protected sleeve in the actual RFID protected pocket. Better safe than sorry. Not gonna happen twice. And next, I put some wet ones, so just some wipes. Actually on the plane we don't have running water, so it's always important to keep some wipes to wash your hands, wash your face or anything. And the reason why we don't have running water is because of the cold. Those pipes are very small and the water will freeze in the pipes and the pipes will burst. And we definitely don't want that, so we're actually doing without water. Up next, I've got more wipes, but individual form. You never know when someone's gonna ask you for one, so I always keep some more in my bag. And it goes into the small pocket here. And also in this small pocket, a small stapler. And then a couple pens. You never have too many pens. People will leave with your pens, and you'll end up with nothing at the end of the day. So always keep a few extra in my suitcase. Now into those slots here, I actually don't keep much, with the exception of band-aids. Actually, those are pretty large band-aids because I have tattoos that are visible, and I need to make sure they're hidden when I'm working. And if I'm wearing short sleeves, I'm gonna need to make sure that my tattoo is not visible. So these go right up here. Next thing that goes into the front pocket is actually some dental floss. I always carry dental floss with me because you never know if you're going to have something stuck in your teeth. So it might look stupid when you're doing your demo, or you might actually just not feel great, or just floss your teeth after you've eaten. So this goes right here at the bottom. Next, and two things that I always carry with me, although I have them in my suitcase as well, is a stick of deodorant and my inhaler. So in the second pocket, what I like to keep is basically my clipboard. So in my clipboard, I'll put the paperwork that I'm using for the day, so the flight report for the day, and any other documentation that I might need. So I have everything together and ready to staple and send it off at the end of the day. And I also have this folder here, which basically have extra copies of my flight reports for every type of aircraft, as well as some expense claim forms. The next thing that goes into this pocket is my work contract. So this is the larger pocket in the bag, and therefore the larger items will go in there. So first thing to go in there is my flight attendant manual. My flight attendant manual is definitely something that is required by law to be carried at all times whenever you're working, and it needs to be accessible. So it's not something that you can just put into your suitcase and check it in. Knowing you have it with you, you actually need to have access to it should you need to reference back to it. So in this manual, you have basically all these safety and emergency security procedures. So anything that's pertinent to a safe operation of the flight. So everything goes in there. And next to it is my service manual. My service manual is basically anything that's not safety related, but more related to service, to uniform standards, good to know information, so basically all the other information, and these two documents we're required to keep with us at all times. And hopefully they will become electronic in the future, and we can't wait for this to happen. And then the next thing that goes into this pocket is my service apron. My service apron actually goes here or there depending, you know, whatever space I have for the day. And the next thing is my cable organizer. In my cable organizer, basically I keep everything that's charger related or electronics. So in here I've got my Apple Watch charger and a iPhone charger. And then up here I've got my ANKER battery. So this is actually a rechargeable battery that I've had for many years now, and I just love it. It's actually from ANKER. I got this from Amazon. This is a 13,000 ampere, or I don't know if we can see here, but basically it holds a lot of power, and then we can see it needs to be recharged, so I'm going to plug it in after this video. So there's two power outlets here, so USB power outlets, and there's a flashlight. So it's always good to have. It's become handy many times over, especially when you're traveling into countries you're not sure about the power outlets, if it's gonna fry your electronics or anything like that. But with this charger, I can charge my iPhone about 6 or 7 times. So this is pretty amazing. Alright, so right here I've got some extra long iPhone and iPad chargers. So this one here I believe is 10 feet long or 12 feet, I can't remember. And then this one here is about 8 feet long, because sometimes the power outlets are far from your bed or your nightstand, so it's always good to have them. And this is the charger cable for the battery. And what I absolutely love is this 4 USB outlets for charging, so I can charge my iPhone, my iPad, and my watch all at the same time in just one block. So I got this from ANKER as well on Amazon. I'll link it down below. This is amazing. I love this. Alright, so then in goes my cable organizer. I've actually purchased this from Walmart.ca as well, and I will link it down below in the description as well. It's actually pretty good. I was hoping that it would be a little bit bigger, but turns out so far it's doing just fine. And then the last thing that goes into my tote bag, it's something quite unusual, but it's a roll of tape. You never know where you're going to need to tape something, and I like to use painter's tape so I can mark down into the galley what goes into which canister and so and so. And it doesn't leave any glue marks in the galley or on the walls. So a roll of tape, it's always super useful. So that's it for my tote bag. Now let's move on to my suitcase. In my bag, I'll carry the bare minimum if I'm just leaving for one day. So if I'm leaving for one day, I'll have this small packing cube, which basically has one shirt, change of underwear, a pajama, just in case, you know, we get stranded somewhere. I'll have the bare minimum to spend the night. So if I'm leaving for more than one day, I'll add in this bigger packing cube. It pretty much has everything in doubles. So extra shirts, extra underwear, socks, everything, with the addition of jeans and sweaters, and, you know, just a few casual clothing items just in case I want to hang out for a day or whatever. So that'll go in here. And if I'm leaving for more than one day and I know beforehand, I'll have both with me. Up next at the bottom of my suitcase, you can never leave without a good pair of sneakers. I love my blue Converse. They're so cute, and they can get squished into the bottom just like so. They don't take up any space. Up next, we have this super cute toiletries bag. It's actually meant to be a pencil case, but look how big this is. This was made by a company called Keep Leaf, and I've purchased this on Walmart.ca. I do believe Walmart doesn't carry this anymore because I've purchased it on clearance. However, Keep Leaf probably still has it, but I'll link it down below. Next, I've got this little medication kit. So in there, I've got some Tylenol, Advil, medication for sinuses, upset stomach, basically anything you might need. Especially up north, there aren't any drugstores, so if you need anything, you better have it with you from home because otherwise you're gonna have to go without. So my little emergency kit here. So the next two items are items that I bring with me only when I know beforehand that I'll be traveling for a few days. So the first of those two items is a small travel humidifier. I've actually purchased this on Amazon. It was pretty cheap and it's amazing. I love this. The air is so dry up north. If you don't have one in your room, you're going to wake up with a sore throat and probably a bloody nose. So you're going to need this. And next, a travel hair dryer. I don't use this much anymore, but it's always good to have, because let's say if we need to clean our uniform, you know, in the sink or whatever, at least it's good to have to dry things off. Alright, so the next thing that goes in my bag is probably something that any flight attendant or all flight attendants never leave home without, and simple as pie. It's a reusable bag. You never know when you're going to need this. Let's say if you buy something on the road, or you need to bring something, or whatever, at least you have it in your, it takes no room whatsoever, and it's always a lifesaver. Alright, so the next thing to go in my suitcase is something pretty unusual that you wouldn't expect someone to carry this in their carry-on, but it's been a lifesaver many times over, and it's an extension cord. And the last thing to go in the main compartment of my suitcase is actually a sleeveless down vest. This is company issued, this is part of my uniform, however I carry it with me year round. Even in the summertime up north the weather is never really warm. It'll be about 10, 12, even sometimes 15 degrees Celsius, but it's always kind of gray and drizzly and you know, it's not always super pleasant. So when it's chilly and you just want an extra layer, it's always good to have and barely takes any space. Alright, so now let's close up, zip it up, and move on to the front pockets. Alright, so the things that go in the front pockets of my suitcase are pretty much items that live there. So first of all is my iPad. My iPad is always in my suitcase and I never take it out, never use it at home. So the last thing to go into the front pocket of my suitcase is actually something very important for safety, a high visibility vest. We're always walking outside the aircraft on the ramp, so we need to be safe and we need to be seen. Alright, so the things that go into the top pocket are basically the icons of 2020 and 2021 with COVID, some extra face masks, and ear savers. I've actually purchased this on Amazon. These things are amazing. You put them in the back of your neck and loop the straps of your masks in those little hooks here so it doesn't hurt behind your ears. This is amazing. And the very last thing that goes in my bag is this metal crew tag. I've actually purchased this online. There's the website on the tag here, which is www.crewbagtag.com, I assume. And basically what it does is that when you send your bag through X-ray at security, it'll show crew in their monitors. So if you have any liquids or anything, your tags will identify your bag as crew bags, and therefore you might have an easier time at TSA. And speaking of crew tags, one thing I wanted to show you guys is this metal crew tag that I've actually purchased online from a website called KoolKrew.com. It's made of metal and there's kind of a layer of rubberized plastic on it. It's super, super, super resistant. Regular plastic crew tags will just snap in the cold in the north, just like that. You know, just snap and your crew tag is gone. So I've had this for a few years now and it's still pretty sturdy. So this is actually amazing. I'll link it down below as well. It's a little bit pricey, but it's super worth it. Alright, so what did you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to follow my adventures, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video as well, turn on your notifications so you'll know when a new adventure comes out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!